Hi YouTube, I am back with another video. This is my second video. And here we go. So we're not gonna go, this roller coaster goes backwards, but we can't go backwards. Oh, and last night I lost my tooth and I got $3. And here we go. We're gonna go in this cool thing.
It's going wrong way. Fix it, Lane.
Sorry. It's gonna be really cool. I'm gonna get to a part that's cool.
Sorry.
Bless you. Okay, now we're going up. Okay, now we're going down. We're getting close to the ending. So I started, and then I added more, and then add more. Just make it cooler. I think you gave me your cold kind of, John.
I can't give you colds, Lane. I was allergies.
I think I got allergies too because I just sneezed. Oh, this is, I know it's pretty cool, guys. Now, so now.
Wrong way, Lane. I can't see anything, Lane.
Okay, we're done. Bye.